Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY compact powder. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm taking is white tone face powder, and secondly I'm taking my BB cream. You can also take any foundation of your choice. I'm taking my BB cream, and the third thing that I'm taking is gulab jal for setting that compact powder. Now take a clean bowl and put this white tone face powder into this bowl. See, this much powder I have taken. Now I'm adding some BB cream into this. Now mix it well. And make a thick paste. Then adding some more BB cream. Now see, the mixture looks like this. It's a thick paste. And now we will take a clean compact case. Okay, see this compact case. And we'll pour the mixture into this compact case evenly. Spread it evenly. Make sure it's a very thin paste. Spread it evenly with the back of the spoon. I have put all the mixture into this compact case and it looks like this. See, you can also dab it with the help of finger. Okay, and we will let it set dry for 2 days. It does not require 2 days, but we will set it for 2 days and my compact is ready. Hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.